Hi, so I finally got my Nature Republic photobook, or well, photobook or catalog, or as you want to call it. I call it photobook. It's so good. This is one of my favorite photobooks of EXO, like ever. I'm just sad that it's so short. I wish it has more pictures, but it's so good. So I'll show it to you right now. This is the front cover, just simple. Yeah, this is quite a bad position. Let me change the camera. So yeah, that's better. Now I'll show you. In the beginning it only has this. This is the Nature Republic stuff. On the second page it also has like things, promoting their products that are natural and are quite good. Nature Republic is such a good brand for skincare and makeup. And here we have EXO, all the members, Journey to Nature. And then we have here a page for each member, and on the sides there is always another pictures. So here it is, exo-k, and then is Baekhyun. And the pictures are so good quality. The paper is really good quality also. This is just a great photo book, and it only cost me like $10, so I hardly recommend you to buy this one. And Shanjol, who looks so cute. They all look so good in here. And then Kai, Shanjol, and Sehun. Sehun looks a little weird in this picture, don't you think? So yeah, well, he looks funny, but here he looks gorgeous. Oh, sorry. There it is. So cute. And it has something written in Korean that I can't read. I really like this picture also. They are my three bias from exo-k, so I really like this picture. Another picture of Sehun. Let's move on. There is Kang-soo. Also, the size of this photo book, it's like really big. So yeah, you really should buy this one if you're an EXO fan. It is so good. And they all look so great and handsome and gorgeous. Another shot of exo-k. And Suho. Then we have Suho, Kang-soo, and Baekhyun. Something in Korean. And then we have another group shot. This photo is so big and so pretty that I just can't. I wish their albums, their photo books for their albums would be like this good. Oh, I'm just sad that Lei and Luhan are like in the middle, so you can see them very well. That's them. Yeah, I hate when the pictures are like cut in the middle like this. Cool members in the middle. So after this, there is the second part of the photo book with exo-m. And they're promoting, of course, the products. I actually have this one in here. I tried it out, and this is really, really good. I recommend you to buy it. It has a lot of product also. It is so big and lasts a lot. So yeah, and it is not expensive. It is like $5, like really. Yeah, exo-m and Luhan. Then Luhan, Shen, and Xiumin. and Xiumin, his single shot. So pretty. Lei. As you can see, all the pictures are great. Then Lei and exo-m. Chris. It's not focused. Chris single shot. He looks so handsome and pretty. I know that I keep saying that they're pretty and handsome, but the pictures are really, really good. I like it so much. Tao. And Tao, Lei, and Chris. Shen. Shen, Luhan, and Xiumin. And another Shen. And there is Shuhan. I don't know how to pronounce it well. But yeah, Xiumin and Luhan. And here are like pictures for the behind the scenes making of something. So yeah. The other side. And this is the last page. At the back it's just blank and has that. So yeah, it's too short, but it's too good. So if you're an EXO fan, you really should have this one. It's really good. Yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching.